Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall or on macOS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall or on macOS, start by closing any open or applications. Next, open the Finder on your Mac. Click on the Applications folder located in the left sidebar. In the Applications folder, locate the R folder. Drag the R folder to the trash icon in the dock. Next, return to the Applications folder. Look for any other associated files or applications related to R, such as RSTUDIO. Drag those files to the trash as well. Now, to remove our packages, open Terminal. You can find Terminal by searching in Spotlight using Command and Space. In Terminal, type the following command, rmrf/library/arc. Press Enter to execute the command. This command removes all R-related files from your library folder. Next, to remove the configuration files, type in rmrf/.arc. Press Enter again. Now, type rmrf/.rdata and press Enter one more time. This will delete any rdata files that you might have. Finally, empty the trash to complete the uninstallation process. You can do this by right-clicking on the trash icon and selecting Empty Trash. Now you have successfully uninstalled R from your macOS system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.